The new LEGO Auspicious Dragon set number 80112. This new LEGO Auspicious Dragon set has 1,171 pieces. Celebrate the Year of the Dragon. Young builder will learn about cultural tradition as they build this dragon toy figure. Even as a family activity during the Spring Festival. This LEGO set is a perfect build for yourself or kids aged 10 and up. The buildable dragon features a tilting head and opening mouth. Also, a printed elements for the eyes and dragon scales created especially for this set. This 1,171 piece set holds a traditional blue crystal element sitting on a brick-built rock in the sea. Included also a nameplate to complete a dramatic display. This printed plaque had a phrase which means an auspicious dragon brings forth prosperity. In Chinese culture, dragons are supernatural creatures which symbolizes power, intelligence, confidence, and prosperity. Look how fierce it looks from this angle. The Auspicious Dragon model measures over 10 inches high, 13.5 inches long, and 5.5 inches wide. Release date, January 1st, 2024. $89.99 in the US.